Ainslie for gold, everything remains on the table. This is a market which has popped back after a decent sell, but really hard to really commit to a direction at this point on it.
It is really hard at the moment. We've had a situation where if we just go to the second chart to the right, which is my daily chart, we've seen a double bounce, a double bottom here, and it was a really long time in the making. So you're talking about over a month to form that double bottom with a huge period of consolidation. Now, I drew this consolidation box here on my 4-hourly chart, which is the one on the left, quite some time ago, actually. And lo and behold, we had a drop at the beginning of the week, straight down to this level, couple of hours there, and then bang, straight back up. And where's it sitting? Right at this level again, 1735. Now, where do we go to from here? Does it come back down and retest the 1700 level? Do we see it push back up and see if it tries to break free from the consolidation box and continue? Or does it just stay in the consolidation box forever? So it seems. It's a really tough call, Paul. It's really, we've had, this is not a big move. It's 1 day break, a false breakout, and then bang, straight back up again. And it's 2 days down, 2 days up, 2 days down, 2 days up. And it's like, it's giving me a headache, to be quite honest, because I check the 4-hourly chart and I'm just like, I don't think I've ever been so drained trying to trade a gold chart before, but it's just, the information's there. It's just a matter of being patient, and this is where it is. This is my weekly here, so the third chart to the right, and I was talking to Ash earlier about, I've got a massive bull flag on my weekly, and it's still there. It's still there. It started down here in 2018, 2019. So I really like a break to the upside. If I get that up around 1900, we're off and running to the races. I reckon we're going to see 3000 in a heartbeat. But I think it's going to be a really, really long road until we get there. So at the moment, we are sitting right in the middle of no man's land. We have got 3 options, which is long, short, or sideways. It's not even long, short, or out at the moment. It's just, we've had a really tough time with gold for over the last month. Nothing that's giving us a good firm trend, nothing that's giving us a protracted trend that we can scale into and get going on. And at the moment, I'm half expecting it to do what it did here, because we've now hit this level of 1735 where it came back down and tested the 1700 level. Will it do that? Its behavior is almost identical to what we saw at the beginning of March. Now we are seeing the similar behavior at the beginning of April, and it's not what we're used to seeing in gold. Seasonally, what are we meant to see? The post-election year, we will see a bit of up and down with an uptick towards the end of April, but whether that comes early, whether that just peters along, I don't know. We need more information, because the other thing we've just had here, by the way, is 7 up bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7 up bars. And generally speaking, the market does not like to post more than 8 before we have a retracement. So we're at an inflection point, and that is telling me to wait and see. So guys, that's where I am at with gold at the moment until I get a bit more information.
Let me see if I can sum it up for you, Ainslie, from what you've told me tonight. What I've got from this, right, is that the chart's a classic trading chart. History will tell us whoever was right, it was obvious. If it goes up from here, we're going to say, look, double bottom, couple of big buying bars was always going up. If it goes down from here, we're going to say, hey, putting a lower high was always going to go down. It's gold. If it sits in a range, we're going to say, how it ranges all the time. It's hardly unpredictable. No matter what happens from here, people are going to say it was easy. But around 1750, 1760 is our key level, right? We get a break above that.
Yes.
We're starting to get bullish, and we take out those 2 lows, and it's all on the short side, right?
Yeah, so we take out those 2 lows, we're on the short side. If we take out this really important level, which is the 1755 level, and we have a close above that, I think we're good. But at the moment, as you said, you saw it for the majority of 4 weeks. We just went ka-chung, ka-chung, ka-chung. All I have done with that consolidation box is move it along. I haven't moved it up or down, but that's where we're at. So we're looking at some more information because we've landed right back on that level again. We have to wait. Bit more patience, guys.
Thank you very much, Ainslie. You're always interesting to get your view on gold. It does look an interesting time for me. I do have a feeling that when we talk in 7 days from now, Ainslie, we might have a little more certainty around direction. I do think it's going to pick a direction from here. Really, there's some really nice clear levels when it gets through them in either direction. That's pretty directional for us. Thank you for